This is the 2023 Chrysler 300C. It's a celebration of world-class architecture, design, and performance, and it's a canvas of distinction and pride. It's one that's crafted to flaunt, and it's celebrating a strut and a swagger that for the first time since 2014, it's equipped with a 6.4-liter HEMI that puts out 485 horsepower and 475 foot-pounds of torque. Now, I know our fans and enthusiasts are thrilled to hear this. Since this V8 went out of production, our social channels have been flooded with people asking us to bring this powertrain back. I'm telling you today, we heard you, and it's what's powering this special edition. The 23 model year 300C commemorates the impact this vehicle and this brand has had on the industry and the city of Detroit. And the 23 model year is a true celebration, not only because of the 6.4-liter HEMI, but because it's the last model for this generation of Chrysler 300. We crafted the 300C Special Edition with a focus on its stunning design and overall performance. It is the total package. It's the perfect combination of sophistication, swagger, and speed, and it's fully equipped outside and in. The 300C Limited Edition features unique badging, design accents, and special wheels and tires, along with premium performance features that make every drive more thrilling. Now, this 300C is available in just one configuration in all three exterior colors you'll see here: bright white, gloss black, and velvet red. And the interior reveals pure style and comfort with black Laguna leather seats showcasing the 300C embossment, silver stitching that's matched by the leather IP, and doors featuring silver stitching and complemented by carbon fiber and piano black bezels. Of course, interior comfort, performance, safety, and security are also enhanced with standard heated and ventilated seats and heated steering wheel, a 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, and the driver convenience group that features advanced brake assist, lane departure warning, and full speed collision warning. This 300C Limited Edition is a remarkable design and one that has a limited build. 2,200 vehicles will be produced for North America. And as we look forward, we're inspired to celebrate the achievements that have led us here today and that also help to guide our future. In celebration of this icon, the 300C is available to pre-order today. The price point is $55,000 plus destination. Now, 2,200 300Cs isn't a lot. If you want one, you need to head over to Chrysler.com and reserve yours now. Since we simplified the 300C offering, we're also able to streamline the shopping and the buying process. The new system takes 3 simple steps: pick your color, pick your dealer, and submit your deposit. It is that easy.